Welcome everyone. We're going to start bringing material up now. Cover the trailer with. Just a lot of red in the material, and I think that's going to look sharp on the trailer. Now I thought the tree sap had glued these back together, but it turns out they was just frozen. Although there is still some tree sap on there. And to be cut out with a chainsaw, I mean, that's pretty dimensional. Nice and flat. I'm getting better with the chainsaw mill. But definitely worthy of at least putting on the trailer. Let's haul these up to the sawhorses, knock that dust off of there, and see if we can't get some paint on these things. I'm going to use a clear water sealer on these boards, and I really do think that's going to look good. Let's take this up to the house. This is what we're going to use to seal this stuff up. As transparent as I could find in order to keep as much of the natural colors as we can. I've already squared the edges on the bottom sides of these, and I think before I trim the live edge off, we're going to get everything set on the trailer and see if we can leave that. Give that trailer a little more character. It's always nice to have a resealable paint bucket as well. Now this is an oil-based paint, so anything we do past this point, we'll have to use either paint thinner to remove or other oil-based products. This stuff is supposed to be really good. And I guess the next handful of years is going to tell us the truth. Which, cedar is a natural, resilient wood anyway. Now, Let's see. And I'm going to put this on just as thick as I can. Let these boards really draw that stuff in. And any type of trimming I do, I will have to touch up the edges to make sure it's sealed. Now if it stays looking like that, I'm telling you, that looks awesome. Wow. And I'm hoping I can get 2 coats on this thing. But if not, we can always paint it again on the trailer. Amazing. Well guys, if it stays that color, wow. That just popped up on the edge like this. And that way anything that I drip off the edge goes right onto this board. You can save as much of it as you can. Material. And I am putting this on just as thick as I can get this brush to leave it for me. Knots that I come to, I'm absolutely not sure I have enough on there where it can soak into that real well. Alright, well next up we are going to bring the trailer frame out, prime it, and then paint it black. And then we're going to be ready to go on with the material here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're doing chainsaw milling and you're getting results such as this, you're probably happy with it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you on the next one. It's not that it's heavy. I don't want to get a bunch of dirt stuck in these rails. Well, I believe that's going to hold it.